squeeze your cheese under the Eiffel Tower. It's a foul, it will please ya. As you empty your bowels on the Tower of Pisa. Don't you know there's so many places to go, go, go.
Can't wait to view with all of the beauty. I'm gonna go and ruin it with my positivity. Too many times, too many toilet children. I know that I'm wrong.
There simply is no shortage of spots to drop your porridge. We're raining down hell on every church bell. You better move your statues in the storage.
We are been getting pretty tired of the USA. We've been everywhere from Washington to Tampa Bay. We're grabbing in another country shifts your point of view. So I'll just take a tour of Europe and I'll find my new live.
Now say goodbye to your feces. When you finally sign the binding Versailles Treaty, switch to Papa Guido. As you simmer a bit on the Arctic Trio, they let it get used to follow. If you don't have a news,